We've been looking at Verasity for a few weeks now, and in this video, we'll discuss why we believe it's about to explode in the coming months. Let's discuss it. It's 2021, and as we can all see, the cryptocurrency bull run is well underway now. Ever since March 2020, we've been seeing huge gains all over the cryptocurrency space, with all-time highs being set almost every single week. The whole market has recently experienced a healthy pullback after over 40% of the hash rate difficulty for Bitcoin dropped out due to blackouts in large parts of China, which in turn caused a large sell-off in the market. Most smart investors took the opportunity to buy the dip, and the market now seems to be stable, with a healthy correction paving the way for future gains. For the past year, Verasity has been exploding in value, with a massive 100x since the start of January under its belt, and it doesn't seem like the crypto is going to stop anytime soon. Bitcoin has been stalling out somewhat for the past month, slowly rising in a pennant formation, but it seems likely with the recent correction it will continue its upwards momentum shortly. The market is currently looking very volatile, with a lot of fear for further downwards price action, but it's important to remember that corrections are normal in cryptocurrency bull runs. When considering Verasity, its price action has been very positive recently, and it seems likely it's going to pick up the momentum as the bull run continues. Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, and it's important to remember that smart investors will be taking profits on the way up and on the way down as the bull market develops, so they don't get wrecked by the eventual massive pullback that will likely occur in the future. The bull market is likely to end in the next 6 months or so, where a huge correction will see a dip in the market will not recover from for some time. Today we're taking a look at Verasity and its amazing potential going into the next few years. Make sure to watch the video till the end for all the essential information. This is not financial advice and is for entertainment purposes only. We always stress that you do your own due diligence. Please like and subscribe for daily videos and hit the bell icon to turn on all notifications. YouTube does gatekeep some cryptocurrency content, so to get access to this time-sensitive information immediately, make sure to turn on all notifications. Hitting the like button helps the channel out immensely, so if you enjoy the channel, please hit the like button now. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or become a YouTube member via the join button right next to the sub underneath the video, where you can get access to our private Discord along with a host of other benefits. We're going to be posting there more regularly with weekly and monthly coin calls and also in-depth research of more obscure altcoins, so if that's something you're interested in, please check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well, where we're hoping to grow our valuable community as a useful resource for all. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. Verasity as a project is one that has a massive amount of potential going into the future. It's targeting an industry which has been exploding in the last 10 years, largely due to the emergence of platforms such as YouTube and Twitch TV, which is the content creation sector. In recent years, there has been a huge surge of content creation as YouTube and Twitch TV have boomed with the advent of streaming and the rise of massive influence in these spaces, but they haven't come without their fair share of problems. However, as it is well known by those who have tried to make a living in these spaces, there is an incredible amount of saturation, and it's very difficult to gain traction of any kind or consistent revenue as a result. These platforms are incredibly competitive in 2021, and Verasity is a protocol which is trying to lend a hand to provide users with more revenue streams, as well as trying to clean up the act of these platforms as well. As with most industries in the world, the highest amount of revenue, attention, and algorithmic reach is usually accrued by the top 1% of creators, and it can be very difficult for newer creators to become visible and generate a new audience. There is a clear bias towards established creators developed by large companies who want to keep their platforms making money, and this is where Verasity comes in for the little man, which is a unique project which aims to increase the ad revenue accruable to content creators when their work is uploaded on video sharing sites. Having an additional revenue stream for creators could be the difference between making a living and prospering, and it's very important to find ways to encourage new creators on platforms. The project was launched in 2019 and received a US patent for its Proof of View technology in February 2021. The project's Proof of View blockchain alternative reduces the occurrence of fake views. Proof of View achieves this by ensuring that all data and metrics about videos on the blockchain are accurate and verifiable. Verasity also allows users to generate additional revenue through unique interactions with their communities, such as the sale of custom NFTs, as well as fans being able to reward their favorite content creators with tokens, adding another revenue layer for streamers or YouTubers. Fake views have been a big problem for YouTube specifically for years, but it's prevalent in many different industries as a means to try and boost social proof through the use of bot streams, views or followers. Spotify has millions of fake streams being generated per month, and it's a big problem for platforms who want to reward legitimate creators fairly and not hand out paychecks to fake streams or views. It's common knowledge this has been going on for some time, and Verasity is aiming to alleviate these issues surrounding fake views for YouTube, as this is damaging for not only YouTube but also content creators themselves. When you consider that Verasity is already integrated with top content creation platforms in the game such as YouTube, Twitch TV, Vimeo and more, it's no surprise that the platform has been garnering so much attention. And if they continued bringing out more utility for many of those who are struggling with income for content creation, the platform could boom as a result. Recent news and sentiment for Verasity has been very positive in the cryptocurrency space, especially considering how well it's been performing in recent months. The recent announcement of NFTs launching on one of Veracity's collaborative sites, Esports Fight Club, an esports focused site which is owned by Verasity, is very bullish and could start a cascade of good news for the protocol going into the future. The NFTs on offer include posters, badges, weapons, mods, and short videos that summarize top highlights from esports tournaments. All of them are built on Veracity's proprietary and patented Proof of View protocol, which aims to eliminate fraud in the world of video monetization. Each NFT found on the platform is unique, with ownership being validated through POV, which means that they have unique value and rarity and really give something valuable back to potential users. This gives users full control over their non-fungible tokens, enabling them to resell or distribute them at will. NFTs are going to be available on Esports Fight Club store soon, along with a wide range of other merchandise, which shows where the mindset is of the team going into the future. And this could be the tip of the iceberg for Verasity offering more utility going into the future as well. When you look at the problems that Verasity are trying to tackle, along with the potential that you have going forward, it's very easy to be bullish on the protocol if they can capture a significant amount of usage going into the future. Through Esports Fight Club, a professional streamer with a large fanbase would be able to use the platform, coupled with Veracity's technology for data storage, consumption and targeted NFTs, all very new and exciting ways to monetize their content and make a living or career, which isn't purely based on view metrics on a platform, which then trigger algorithmic rewards as a result. When you combine this bullish news about the protocol with the list of partnerships they already have, along with the patent for their technology, things are looking very bullish for Verasity, especially if they start to get widespread use for YouTube and Twitch especially. With the state of Verasity already looking so bullish for us, you can only imagine what might their plans be going into the future, with many more ways for content creators to monetize their content potentially becoming possible, especially with the benefits of decentralization, with no issues for strikes or demonetization with Veracity's technology. When looking at Veracity's performance over the past year, it's had an incredibly explosive start to 2021. Verasity in January had a price per token of around 1/20th of a cent, and to run up in price to over 100x to around 5 cents before a recent correction due to the overall market pullback in recent days. The performance of Verasity has been remarkable, and the announcement of their patent going through in the US was massive bullish news that sent the crypto on a huge run. With a current market cap of around 100 million and a price per token of around 2.5 cents after the recent pullback in the market, there is still a huge amount of potential for Verasity to continue growing in the future, and it's very likely that this could be a massive 2021 for them. Verasity is currently down around 50% from its all-time high, but it doesn't seem likely that the market will keep Verasity down for long. It doesn't seem likely the momentum is going to slow down for Verasity this year, especially when you consider the massive amount of integrations it's currently getting, and the announcements that are coming out for the crypto all the time. When looking at how bullish the protocol is along with the momentum that they currently have, it's easy to imagine that Verasity could 100x or more from the current price this year, giving it a price per token of around $2. The fundamentals on Verasity are monstrous, and it's very likely it's going to be back on track in a big way soon. With a market cap of only 100 million, 100x would only give Verasity a $10 billion market cap, which is still very small in comparison to most coins, especially when considering the Dogecoin ran to 50 billion in market cap on hype alone. Considering what Verasity offers and the strides they are taking, this might be a conservative target more than anything, and there are many in the Verasity community who believe Verasity could reach $10 or beyond this year, which would be a market cap of around 50 to 75 billion. Even this doesn't seem so unreasonable when you consider that most top 20 cryptocurrencies will have market caps well into this range, and we believe that Verasity could be one of the largest cryptocurrencies going forward, as it has a real-world use case to change lives. The utility is needed and already receiving use, and if they continue to innovate and bring out more utilities, there's no reason they can't perform exceptionally well in the future. When taking a look at the technical analysis for a moment for Verasity, for the past few weeks it seems as though Verasity has been following the market downwards, with it now sitting at around 2.5 cents to 3 cents, which is half of its all-time high of around 5 cents. There has been a lot of consolidation and structure being built in recent weeks, and with the current downturn in the market, this may be the perfect opportunity to buy the dip, with Verasity offering very nice discounts from its recent pump. Verasity is still looking bullish on the charts, and once it finds a bottom and the whole market starts moving up again, or an alt season is triggered soon, the prices for Verasity could surpass its all-time high and beyond very soon. Once these sorts of prices are achieved and price discovery mode is entered for the crypto again, it's very easy to imagine it continuing its momentum with no more technical resistance, and with hype around the project growing. Because the market cap for Verasity is so low, it could run upwards of 10 to 20 cents once it breaks its all-time high again. When taking a look at all the information for Verasity, it's easy to be very bullish on the protocol going forward. Their market cap is still very small considering the market they are targeting, and it seems likely once they break their all-time high again and get on a run, this cryptocurrency could be seeing huge gains going into the next few months. It's easy to imagine that Verasity can continue its momentum after its recent consolidation and pullback period and push past its all-time high into the 10 to 20 cent range in short order. Once this happens, Verasity could head to 40 to 50 cents in the next few months, especially when you look at how other cryptos such as VeChain have been pumping recently. A 10x to 25 cents would be only a $1 billion market cap at the current price, which would be highly achievable in the short term. With Dogecoin running to $50 billion in market cap on hype alone, it's impossible to rule out a big run for Verasity, and a $10 to $15 billion market cap for the crypto seems very reasonable as the bull run develops, which would be around 100x or more from the current price. Verasity in the longer term seems like a cryptocurrency that has the potential to be in the top 20, and over the next few years it could run well beyond 100 to 200x from now. So what are your thoughts on Verasity? Do you think it will perform how we expect in 2021? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below, as we'd be interested to hear your ideas about the price action of this in the future. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there. Also make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel immeasurably, so if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well, where we're hoping to grow our valuable community as a useful resource for all. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.